back. And guys, I apologize. I've just done the most stupidest thing in the world. I've actually didn't record the video I'm actually making right now. It didn't save to my computer, so I'm redoing it. But unfortunately, I've just literally done the activation of the bombs. I apologize, guys, but I've literally just done it, as you can probably see. I can just show you now on my MetaMask. Currently at 1348 where I am, and I literally just done it, so you can show you, so you know I'm not telling fibbies. But yeah, sorry guys, I'm literally, like you say, just literally done it now. Activate, see, activity, sorry, activate, activity. My computer today is running very, very, very slow. I don't know why. But there, look, I've just literally done it like now. You see, April 30th. It is April 30th. I've just literally done it now. There's the transaction. You can go see. I've literally viewing the blockchain. I'm just going to show you guys. So it's literally 1349 currently, and as this video is going out, as this video is being recorded. And you can see 3 minutes ago. There you go. Okay. So I'm just currently doing it right now. I apologize, guys. It's taking a little bit longer right now, but yeah, that's the damn. Anyway, so this is a project called YieldCore, okay, and it's an NFT bond protocol. All right. And basically, you basically, it's on the BSN scan, sorry, BNB network. And you deposit USDT into a verified smart contract based bonds. Now you can use this via mobile phones, or if you've got MetaMask or any of them platforms where you can basically attach your account, your wallet to these accounts, and then you can earn basically NFT bonds, daily bonds. Okay, it's been active for 81 days. Total bonds now is 18,438. Total bonds minted 223. That was the 223rd, and total bonds claimed 13,924. Okay, lottery pool now is currently at $4.43, and that was the last person who won it. Okay, you have 4 packages, which is where we want to be right now. We have 4 beautiful packages, and it dates from day 1 up to day 28. Okay, so you can have day 1, day 7, day 14, or day 28 packages. Now, each minimum investment is $5 all the way up to $1,000, which is the best value, of course. That gives you 24.25% after a 28-day package, okay? So you'll be able to receive your money after 28 days, after 14 days, 7 days, 1 day, all right? Now, I like this because it's only a maximum investment of 1,000, which is really good. It doesn't, because a lot of these projects, when they unlimited, people just put in too much money, and then the project crumbles. This is a fantastic way to earn money, and actually not to break the contracts or blow contracts. This is a very, very smart move from the owners, so well done. As you can see, this is mine. Token ID to 2 7 days, $500. I get $21.25 after 7 days. It shows you there, active, pending, okay? So obviously it needs to go onto the blockchain, and obviously then it will be ready. So it's currently not ready, it's just active, and then as soon as it goes onto the blockchain properly, it will then start to earn me money. Okay, they do a weekly lottery. Each week the draw currently targets 20% lottery wallet balance. Beautiful. Okay, you've got active 5 tickets, obviously, because every $100 you get 1 lottery ticket. Okay, you've got a referral program, like anything in the world. We all have a referral program. You earn 1% commission of every bond minted by your referrals. So it's a nice, it's 1%. It's good. When you get like these 10, 15, 20, 30% referral programs, you guarantee it's going to blow. You guarantee it's not going to work. Well done to these guys. That's a fantastic way to earn a little bit of referral money. Okay, paid when instantly. Beautiful. Okay, they've got a Telegram group. Yeah, I've been speaking to the owner. He's really nice, American dude. He wants to really make a big difference. and obviously he's asked me to do this project and help. And obviously I said, no, why not, you know? You can see here you've got general landing pages, Yell, block breaker, which is, it says here, we're pleased to announce this rollout of Yell block breaker, a new and interactive experience beyond a part of the expanding YieldCore ecosystem. As YieldCore continues to grow, YBB represents an additional layer of engagement design support overall ecosystem for the community. That's something maybe we can talk about another time. You've got a marketing partnership. This is basically what I've done. I've helped out, and I'm going to do it. I think I've managed several active. Okay, you can help out and do all these Telegram groups. And I haven't got the time, so that's nothing of interest to me. You can see here all the tutorial videos, so you can watch these step-by-step guide. So please watch them, guys. They are very important. Please, please, please watch them. All right. And then official links. So all the links here, you got Discord channel, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. Okay, contact team, so you can contact the owner, and then you've got frequently asked questions. All right. So there you go. We are in active. Okay, look, there's mine, bond minted. Hey, there you go. Register. Look, you can see the transaction, 7-day plan. That's on the blockchain. Everything is done properly. Don't forget, guys, please come and check out my YouTube channel. I've always got loads of stuff going on here. Obviously, you can see my YouTube channel right now, and then I will show you stuff, what is going on. So let's go and have a look at my YouTube channel. I think I've got over 6,000 people now, which is really, really cool. I'm always watching stuff about the UK. Obviously, I'm from the UK, so there's a lot of stuff going on at the moment in the UK, which is out of our control. But yeah, DeFi Hustlers here. I've got 6,000 subscribers, which is beautiful. I just want to say thank you very much for everybody who's watched this video today. I will see you on the next video, and I will update you in regards to this project every week. All right. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye for now.